It's 9 o'clock in the evening and it's pretty cold. I'm freezing in my hands. I did 3 drone flights. I used all the batteries I had to explore the area on the sunset when you have very good visibility. The sun is not disturbing the view, so it was the best time to fly. And we have detected hot lava precisely here. You see where is the smoking coming here? I found there is lots of hot lava there. You will see it from drone. And so there is hot lava under the surface, so it appears to be all fossilized and cold, but it's delusive. It's very dangerous to walk on it because I saw glowing hot lava, a lot of it under. And considering the very cold temperatures we have today in Iceland, and it's still staying hot, like probably 500 degrees hot, this frost that we have does not disturb it to stay hot, as you see. But volcano is that I didn't see any lava at all in the volcano. But we have, of course, smokes, and that's it, just smokes and some sulfur accumulating. But otherwise, volcano is extant species. So there is nothing to film. I mean, no hot lava in the volcano, just on that spot here there is hot lava, but it's not flowing, it's just glowing from underneath. That stays hot there in the lava fields. So I will walk down now and I will film the lava fields around, and then I will walk around that way because it's very hard to get back that way. I was on the top of this mountain and I came down, and then I stopped here to catch the daylight because it's getting late to make as many flights as possible in the daylight before it gets dark. I have a flashlight with me to bike back, so I'm good to get back, but the only thing is getting cold. It's very cold in the mountains in Iceland now in the evenings. But in the daytime when I was driving, it was plus 15 degrees, so it was quite nice. But not here. Here in the mountains it's always colder than next to the ocean. So we will walk down. I don't have much things with me, I just have drone and a backpack. And then it's 2 kilometers to walk for me to the bike, and then I will bike for 7.5 kilometers back to the car, and then I will drive for about 30 minutes home. So this is the situation today. Chilly day, but I got very much sun-tanned in Croatia and Venice. I was in Croatia and Venice, as you know, for 9 nights altogether, which was kind of nice to get a break from this trail here. But it's very overcrowded, as I told in Croatia, very overcrowded, too many people. Here is no people, but it's very cold, chilly and windy, and there are there is no grass on the vegetation, no flowers to comfort you. So it's very rough terrain here, but I enjoy it. I like it to be alone, so it's nice to sometimes solitude is a good thing. So we will go down to the lava fields and then we'll walk around the mountain and get back to the bike. That's how lava field looks. That volcano, nothing happening. And here are some voices on the other side of the mountain. I think they are rescue teams, guys, or maybe some tourists still walking there. But there is always a rescue car standing there on the hill there. Still, despite the volcano is dead, they are still there. So they are doing their shifts. Okay, my friends, I walk down all the... So I'm walking down from the top of this mountain. I came from that direction actually, and I will walk down along the lava fields back home. Not so interesting here when there is no eruption, no lava going on, flowing, so no people coming. I don't see many people on the other side, just like few persons, so there is really nothing to see except cold lava here, you know. But rescue teams are still doing their shifts there. See, there is a car. So I didn't even take hiking shoes, just sneakers. It's okay, I mean, it's easier to bike in them, you know. Total silence here. Just smoke's coming over there where you find hot lava. You'll see it from drone. And we are coming to the fissure line. I hope it will not erupt again here when I walk, because if that wouldn't be fun, at least we don't have earthquakes, which are supposed to forecast the eruption. Everything is very still here. It's mainly sand. This mountain is from the ice age, you know, and this is when glacier was retreating. There accumulated a lot of sand, mud over, and it covers this mountain. But originally it was probably like this, palagonite. The original shape was palagonite lava, which was cooled by the glacier erupting under the glacier by water. And then this is accumulation, this